Hi guys, welcome to this video where I'm going to build a high-end PC using a Ryzen 3900X, a 5700 XT GPU and a bunch of other shiny stuff. This is actually an upgrade to my personal rig. The main upgrade is the new CPU, but I'm also changing the cooling solution, the case and a few other bits and pieces. So you can check out this build in its previous form in the video here. As I said, the main reason for this upgrade is to switch to the Ryzen 9 3900X. This thing absolutely shreds productivity workloads and I'm really looking forward to seeing how it performs compared to the 3800X in my last build. The GPU is the same 5700 XT from before. It's a decent little performer at 1440p, even with the noisy and inefficient blower cooler. The reason I'm keeping this is because I plan on water cooling it later the year, so for now I just have to make do. The RAM in this system comprises of 4 8GB sticks of G-Skill TridentZ RGB 3200, giving a total capacity of 32GB. This might seem a little overkill for most use cases, but with a few virtual machines running I can easily chomp through 16GB, so 32G is a must for me. The motherboard is an MSI X570-A Pro. It was honestly one of the cheapest X570 motherboards available, but it still has all the features I need and makes the most of the 3900X CPU. For storage, I'm using a 512GB Samsung 970 EVO Plus for Windows, a 1TB SATA Samsung 860 QVO for my game library, and a 2TB Western Digital hard disk which stores all the projects I'm currently working on that haven't made it over to my NAS yet. New to this build is the 256GB Sabrent SSD. I actually bought this for another project that hadn't happened yet, so I've included it in this build as a scratch drive to speed up video editing. It will probably come out again in the future. The case is an Antec NX800. I chose to change from my Cooler Master MB511 as this case fits my desk a little better and has great airflow thanks to the twin 200mm fans. It is a little loud, you may be able to pick up some of the noise from it on my mic, but overall it's a decent little case and I'll try and do a standalone video to review it at some point. So nothing left to do but build the thing. I hope you enjoyed the montage. If you do, please leave a like down below and subscribe to see more content like this. If you have any comments, please drop them in below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Enjoy!